Using the Alaska Airlines companion fare is a straightforward process. The companion fare is a perk offered on certain credit cards that allows you to purchase a second ticket on a round-trip flight in the main cabin for $99 plus tax. To start, you'll need to find your companion fare code, which can be done by signing in to the Alaska Airlines website using your user ID or mileage plan number and password. Once signed in, navigate to the My Account section and scroll down to the Discount and Companion Fare Codes option. Here, you'll see a list of your available codes, including their expiration dates. Make sure to select a valid code and copy the discount code provided. To use the code, return to the Alaska Airlines website and click on the Use Discount or Companion Fare Code button. This will reload the page and provide a box where you can paste your companion fare code. After entering the code and completing the other required details, click Find Flights to search for eligible flights. The resulting flights will allow you to purchase a second ticket on a round-trip flight in the main cabin for $99. By following these simple steps, you can take advantage of the Alaska Airlines companion fare and enjoy discounted travel.